What's up YouTube? Genie here, back at it again and welcome back to the channel guys. So today, isa na namang excited ako dito. Ito, feeling ko something big itong papalabas na to. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano itong game na to at paanong gimmick nito. Yung Starship ang tawag nila dito sa NFT game na to. Okay? Also, magbibigay din ako ng iba pang mga tips or gusto ko rin malaman yung yung insights ninyo about sa mga gadgets pagdating sa crypto. Okay? If you are new to my channel, guys, please do not forget to click that like and that subscribe. Click that bell, set that to all para lagi kayong notified pag nag-upload tayo ng mga game reviews, announcements, updates, at mga info lahat about NFT, about play to earn, mga gimmick na pwede tayong kumita ng pera kahit nasa bahay lang tayo. Alam mo yun, hindi na tayo pwedeng sitahin na, uy, naglalaro ka lang naman lagi. Okay? So, every Friday, guys, CPD Friday Madness, Chino De Dios, Professor T-Rex, Dalarian TV, kita-kita tayo dyan. Shoutout sessions, NFT game reviews, and syempre, raffle talaga. Yan, okay? So, without further ado, guys, let's get it on! Intro! Okay guys, so this is the landing page of Starship. And syempre, just like what we always do, links in the description below, okay? Para hindi na kayo naliligaw at saan pa napupunta at nai-scam or na-fish. Okay, so yan guys. Starship is a Binance Smart Chain project created to bridge businesses and users onto blockchain technology. Within its first 6 months, Starship developed a non-custodial wallet, token generator, online learning platform, and decentralized exchange. So, hindi lang game si Starship. Ngayon, ang focus natin guys is, pupunta tayo dito sa taas. Ito, nakita nyo ba yan? Hindi ko yata nararangan ko ba? Hindi naman siguro, no? Okay. So, NFT game, ayan, click natin yan. Ito, yung sinasabi ko. Yan. Okay? So, ito, papakita ko sa inyo to. Yan. Actually, nakita nyo na pala yan kanina nung simula nitong video na to. Starship NFT game. So, yan. Sabi niya, Starship, play to earn the next Axie Infinity. And if you can see right there, guys, right there, Wax blockchain. Naku po, talaga, paborito natin yan. Ang Wax, hindi basta-basta yan. Yan ang mga paborito nating puntahan at yung mga very profitable games natin dyan sa Wax na namamahay. Namamahay talaga. Okay, so yan. Actually, gusto ko marinig yung sarili ko. Ha? So yan guys, makita ninyo, packs for sale. Ayan, open sale 5 PM UTC from 7th to 28th of October. So tapos na yan. It's already November. Ano ba ngayon? November 3 na tayo ngayon. So yan, sold out na yung standard and yung extended packs nila. $9 ang standard with 5 cards and makita ninyo yung odds na mga pwede ninyo makuha dyan. And then, dito, $40 yung extended niya. Di natin inabot nung una to. Pero guys, si BitBoy na pack, papalabas na daw yan. Abangan natin yun. So ito, yan, si extended. Sana kung nakadali tayo niyan guys, kung nalaman natin na maaga to, nakabili sana tayo. Kahit siguro mga 10 or 15 packs kung umabot tayo nun, makapag-hodl muna kayo ng ganun. Kasi feeling ko guys, itong game na to, itsura pa lang niya, legit na. So hindi siya yung basta-bastang game na mga Itong space stations on sale na, kaya lang medyo mahal yung gimmick niyan. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya guys kung magkano yan. So parang si space station kasi acts parang land ang datingan niya. Okay, so yan, pakita natin Space station features 3 limited custom NFTs, gold, silver, and bronze branded thematic NFTs, 1 mint per rarity, 1 branded holographic NFT. Ang angas nito ito. Ang angas yung itsura niya guys. Central emblem customized to the specifications of the brand. The emblem is the main visual element that funnels kyanite gas. Sana tama yung pronunciation natin. the entire space station to its core. Color scheme, di man natin kailangan. Exclusive influence, 10,000 planets in the space station radius. Space station NFT owner receives 5% of all kyanite gas mined by players that launch from the space station. Audiovisual screen for video content advertising shown on loop. Section to link the brand external content such as online store, social media platforms, etc. Text chat room for community gathering, promotions, and announcements. Own an exclusive category on Starship NFT Discord server with text and voice channel. So yun yung mga gimmick niya, guys. And sabi ko nga sa inyo, papakita ko kung magkano ang gimmick ng space station. Ayan. Oh, para sa mga naiintriga, guys. 60,000 ngayon sa presyo ngayon, $60,026. So, kung i-multiply ninyo by 50 yan, nasa 3 million pesos ang gimmick niyan. So, medyo mahal. Pero I think, pag lumabas yan, and if Starship makes it big, talagang yan, profitable. Tingin ko lang Pero syempre, high risk, high rewards nga pagdating sa mga ganyang play to earn. So, kaya mo ba? Kaya ba ng kalooban mo? O kaya ba ng dibdib mo? By the way, Sando Boys tayo ngayon. Sando Boys tayo ngayon, guys. Sa dami ng sinut ko ngayon, naubos na yung damit ko. Okay? So, Sando Boys muna tayo. So, kaya ba ng dibdib mo na maglabas ng 3 million pesos para sa isang game? 'Di ba? Hoping na kailan babalik 'yun? Kailan yung ROI? Totoo ba tong game na to or ganyan-ganyan? Kasi again, guys, kahit naman sabihin ko na super legit and everything na ganyan, pwede pa ding may mangyaring kung ano man, 'di ba? So, 'yun. Packs. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo yung packs, guys. Nakita niyo naman doon sa kanina, $9, tama ba? $9 yung yung $9 yung kanina na kaso nawala na pala. Deploy tayo ulit. Deploy Starship tayo ulit, guys. Ayan, nawala pala sa kanina. Okay, NFT game. So, ayan, nakikita niyo naman, $9 ang standard, which is ito. Standard pack, $9 noon, $25 na ngayon. Extended, magkano extended pack? $40 dito, guys, nung nirelease nila. $184 na ngayon. And hindi titigil ang pagtaas niyan, guys. Pagka nag-launch na si Starship, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pagtaas niyan. Kaya, ewan ko, kung kayo, do your own research. Bilis-bilisan ninyo dahil pataas ng pataas yan. Kung sa tingin ninyo naniniwala kayo dito sa project na tong NFT na to, do your own research fast and make your decisions fast. Okay? So, build your fleet daw. Ayan nga, travel to universe, kyanite, and conquer planets. Hold your Starship tokens to gain access to the game and receive a free and exclusive Starship based on the amount of Starship in your wallet or yung ino-hold ninyo. Okay, so tingnan natin ano pa ba mga pwede nating malaman dyan. Tingnan natin tong white paper naman nila, guys. Kung ano yung mga importante na dapat nating malaman. So, emergence. Ayan. So, phase 1, emergence. Duration is November to February. Ayan yung mga gimmick nila, guys. On Discord, voice chat, mechanics of space stations, and basaya lang. Dami nila, guys, di ba? Meron tayong pre-phase 2, fix any bugs, improve graphics, preparation for phase 2, NFT airdrop campaign prior to phase 2. Phase 2 is Unity naman. Ayan, phase 2, Unity. Launch of phase 2 Unity game trailer, pre-sale of NFT packs, phase 2 by whitelist, sale of NFT pack phase 2, weekly chest, beginning of community campaign, build the FTL engine. Phase 3 is Defiance. Duration is quarter 4 naman ng 2022 to 2023. Ayan yung mga plano nila. So guys, again I will put all the link in the description of the video. You can go ahead and click on that. Pumunta kayo dito, do your own research, check ninyo para hindi kayo naliligawan. Alam ninyo kung anong nangyayari doon sa project. Okay, lalo na syempre pagka nag-invest kayo. So, new tier of NFT will be available. And Space Station, Starship. Sana hindi naman ganun kamahal yung ano nila, yung Space Station. Gusto ko sanang bumili nun kasi mukha talagang promising tong game na to. Yan. So, equip your planets NFT. Planets are under attack. Defend your planets. Yada yada. War mode. Ayan. War mode. PvP events. Players will be able to see their starship being attacked and looted if they don't defend their starship. Players take risk of traveling to other planets but will receive better rewards if on Kyanite gas. Starship fleets will never be destroyed, and if a battle is lost, the starship returns to the space station where a penalty of Kyanite gas stacking is imposed. So yan yung mga gimmick nila. Okay, so this will not be the last time I will be creating contents for Starship. So, as time progresses, maggagawa tayo at magagawa ng content dyan. May hinihintay lang din akong pack. Yun ang bibilin natin. And then, bubuksan natin yun. And we will get that on video para makita ninyo. Ano yun? Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya inaabangan ni Chino na bibilin niya daw para dito sa Starship na to? So, check it out again, guys. Very, very promising yan. Hopefully, maging successful and mag-moon din itong project na to just like any other mga NFTs na feature natin. So if you're new to my channel, guys, please do not forget to click that like and that subscribe. Click that bell para lagi kang updated sa lahat ng game reviews natin, updates natin about the games, Starship, at mga iba pang games na mga fini-feature natin. Don't forget, laging lamang ang nauuna. Okay? So, every Friday, guys, before I end this video, every Friday, CPD Friday Madness with Chino De Jos, Professor T-Rex, and Delayan TV. See you there. Raffle prizes for our community. Okay? So, that's it for me for now. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace!